Hello everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You. I have got my final P. Louise box. It's so sad, isn't it? She has such fun makeup products, but you know, they're really for, they're not for me. Most of them get to go to my niece, who loves them, by the way. But yeah, I need to go for a little different type of beauty products. But they are super fun to open up. Is that not fun? Look at it. Fun. So this does come from the UK, and no duties, no tariffs this time, but I did look to see it shipped on August 29th. That could be why. But I mean, just look at the box. How much fun is this box? I mean, seriously. They're creators, designers, spot on. So much fun. All right, I am getting into it. So let's see. Okay, I just now read the front. I am 100% keeping this box. Talk juicy to me. I love it. If life gives you melons, make it P. Louise. I'm actually going to take this box, I think, to work and even have it set up. That's just fun all over it. So here's the inside of our box. And I'm just going to start with the very first product. So it is Bad Blank Energy, and it is Helping Hand Watermelon Hand Cream. Fun, fun, fun. All right, so there it is. So let me put a little bit here. And I love how they do like these, latch key hook things. I just love that. So here we go. Let's smell it. Well, a watermelon. Okay, I was gonna say doesn't smell like strawberry. It's because it's not strawberry. Watermelon, 100%. They get their scents spot on over there. Very, very good. All right, next item. Let's see here. Pass the Plump Watermelon Plump Moisture Mask. Twist and pout. Got to get my new little handy dandy thing here that I absolutely love. And I think, I swear I thought I had bought like a blade refill. I don't know where that went. Or I don't even know if I saw that actually now that I unpacked everything. Look how cute. Look how stinking cute. So there's the front of it. It's hard to see because her stuff's so shiny. Pass the Plump. Let's see. Okay, moisture mask. I'm trying to see how, so it's got the little thing right there. So do I push down? I don't. Do I twist? Do I lift? I must lift. I don't lift. Do I twist? Okay, so I do twist. So I twisted it and it opened a little. So do I twist again? All right, let me read the instructions. Twist the tube. We recommend only clicking once. No, twist the tube. We recommend only clicking twice for the perfect amount of product to dispense. Apply with your ring finger to the lips and touch up through the day. All right, so I definitely twisted it once. Oh my goodness, okay. Okay, so definitely more came out than probably should. I love the color. Oh my goodness. Gosh, their colors are always definitely watermelon. I like the mask. I like the mask, guys. Really like the mask. Okay, put it back on. We are 2 for 2. Next item. Do Me Right Watermelon Glow Dew Serum. Let's see here. There's the bottle. So let's see here. Put a little bit. There we go. It doesn't smell like watermelon, but then again, I also have this on my lips and my nose is close to that. But let's read some about this Glow Dew Serum. Deep hydration delivers intense, long-lasting hydration to maintain a soft and supple complexion throughout the day. Supports a plumper, more radiant appearance by locking in moisture. It's a lightweight formula, radiant glow, and packed with vitamins and antioxidant. These are antioxidants. Okay, all right. Very nice. Next, we have 3 more items in here, you guys. All right. Rain on Me. Babe, you've got to nourish to flourish. And this is water spray. Okay, let's see here. Put yourself first and quench your skin's thirst. Make a real difference to your skin with Rain on Me water spray. Rain on Me is a multi-use spray and can be used on your face and body to refresh, calm, and soften your skin, adding moisture and improving dryness. It's light and refreshing formula, soothing and moisturizing for all skin types, but amazing for dry skin. All right, and this is also a watermelon scent. Okay, it is sealed very well. Okay, that's not what I expected. It looks like gelatin-like in there, or gel-like, and that can't be right, but look how pretty this is. Here we go. Oh, it's nice. It says watermelon. You guys, it smells like coconutty, like vacation-like. I love it. I love it. 4 for 4. Next big item. What is this now? Vitamin C face cream. Glow brightener, dream bigger. Say hello to the dose of dreams, packed with vitamin C to brighten and smooth and energize. Each capsule delivers the perfect dose of skin-loving magic with powerful antioxidants that fight free radicals for a glowing, balanced complexion and protection against environmental damage. So we've got intense hydration, skin brightening, anti-aging, and nutrient boost. So you see the little capsules, I'm assuming is what they're talking about in there. But let's open it up and check it out. Oh, it's so pretty. So pretty. Okay, so here is your dose of dreams. And you see the capsules in there? Look at them. And I'm gonna go in. Okay, so you can see, so I put my finger in and I got some. Oh, and let me put this back up on here. Oops, knock that over. It's like I got stuff all over my hands. Let's just put it right there and go like this. I'm sure there probably is some watermelon spray or scent in there, but it dissipates here. What I'm wanting is, I want to see like what it feels like. So it's not sticky. it's drying relatively fast here. Now, mind you, I was going like this. But yeah, I like that. Another. And now we're to the very last item. Okay, it's let's get juicy. And this is a body cream. All right. So it says deep hydration and without any greasy residue and radiant skin, all day freshness, smooth and silky texture. And it makes your skin feel as though it's glowing from the inside out. All right. And another super cute bottle. Watermelon body cream. Here we go. Oh, and this one's got a little seal on it. Oh, and it came right off. All right. It smells similar to all the other products. So I'm just going to put just a little bit right there. Yep. Watermelon. It kind of smells like bubblegum-ish as well. Very nice. So I'm going to have sitting on my desk at work, and people are going to be like, what the heck? But I am going to have this body cream because I can also use it for my hands. I'm going to take this for my water spray. And why the heck not? Take my lip mask. And I also then have hair cream. This will have to stay in the bathroom. So let's go through these items again to wrap up here. So all watermelon scent, and they're all I'm assuming full size. At least most of these are. So 30 ml Glow Dew Serum. We've got the 1.76 ounce of the vitamin C face cream. We have got the Pass the Plump lip mask, and this is 0.49 fluid ounce. Then we have got the Rain on Me water spritz. This is 100 ml, 3.52 fluid ounces. We have got the hand cream, 1.76 fluid ounces, a helping hand, and our body cream, which is 4.23 ounces. So I think even though this is the last box for me, guys, this could not have been the more perfect box for me because these are all items that I can use. So I'm sorry for my niece, but this one's for me. Hope all is going well with you guys. Take care. Bye-bye.